Today I'll be ceramic coating my brand new Tesla Model Y. Ceramic coatings are one of the best ways to keep your car looking fresh, glossy, and protected from the elements. I'll be ceramic coating it with Avalon King's new Armor Shield 9 Max ceramic coating, and it's a successor to their very popular DIY kit, the Armor Shield 9. I'll be going over what a ceramic coating is, what's new about this Max ceramic coating by Avalon King, how to apply it, and the results. Now the part that really blew me away is that instead of spending $1,000 to $3,000 on a ceramic coating, this kit by Avalon King is under $100. And I'm not talking theory. I ceramic coated my Model Y Performance a little over 3 years ago, and the results still blow me away to this day. Crazy hydrophobics, insane gloss, and durability that has lasted longer than I had expected. Now this is a big deal for me personally because 3 years ago I coated my Model Y Performance with Avalon King's original Armor Shield 9 and they claimed it would last 2 years, and now I'm past the 3-year mark and the water still beads like crazy, the gloss still pops, and the car still looks phenomenal. That experience convinced me that ceramic coatings are worth every penny. So when Avalon King announced their new upgraded formula, the Armor Shield Max, I had to try it out. This is supposed to be everything people loved about the original, but dialed up, more durability, more gloss, more slickness, stronger hydrophobics, and an insanely quick cure time of just 4 hours. It's a 3-year ceramic coating, and today I'm going to walk you through the kit, the prep, the application, and of course the results. Avalon King was kind enough to hook me up with a Max kit for this video, which gives me the chance to test out their new formula and show you firsthand what it can do. As always, the links to everything will be in the description below, so all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Now before we get too deep into what's new with the Armor Shield Max, let's zoom out for a second and talk about ceramic coatings in general. Because if you're new to the detailing world, you might ask yourself, why even bother? Here's a short version. A ceramic coating is one of the best upgrades you can do to your paint. Think of it as an invisible armor layer that bonds directly to your clear coat. That bond gives you years of added protection against UV rays, road grime, bird droppings, tree sap, all the everyday stuff that slowly eats away at unprotected paint. The hydrophobic properties are next level too. Dirt, mud, and water simply don't stick to the paint now. Instead, they bead up and roll right off, which makes every maintenance wash quicker, easier, and more satisfying. And then there's a look. A ceramic coating gives your car that wet, glossy finish, the kind where the paint looks deeper, more vibrant, almost like it's been dipped in glass. On top of that, you don't need to wax your car every couple of months anymore. And depending on the particular ceramic coating, a coating can last anywhere from 1 to 2 years for entry-level options, all the way up to 3 to 5 years for premium coatings, and even close to a decade with some professional grade installs. Alright, time to unbox the kit. The Max kit comes in a sleek black box, and inside you get everything you need to do the job. You get a 30ml bottle of the Armor Shield 9 Max coating. It's enough for a mid-size SUV like my Model Y. You get an applicator pad, a pair of gloves, a high-quality microfiber towel for buffing, and step-by-step instructions. Avalon King also sent me their prep shampoo, IPA spray, and car shampoo, and I highly recommend all of these as the prep shampoo is a first step in your ceramic coating process. It's super concentrated for maximum cleaning power, and it strips away any old waxes, sealants, and contamination, prepping your car for ceramic coating. The IPA spray is after you've cleaned and dried your car, and the isopropyl alcohol acts as a solvent, dissolving any contaminants and leaving a perfectly bare and clean surface for the ceramic coating to adhere to. And if you've polished your paint, this helps to remove any residues from polishing to ensure proper bonding. And the car shampoo is specifically designed for Avalon King ceramic coatings. It's a pH balanced shampoo that makes maintenance washes a breeze. Now before we move on, I've got some exciting news. Avalon King has hooked me up to give away 2 Armor Shield 9 Max kits to you guys. If you want a chance to win one, here's all you need to do. 1. Like this video, it helps me know you're enjoying this content. 2. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos, tutorials, and giveaways. 3. Comment below. Tell me what car you'd coat with the Max and why. That's it. I'll pick 2 winners at random. Alright, let's talk prep. Right now, you can see me applying the IPA spray to my panels, glass, and trim, but the prep part I'm talking about is actually before this, and honestly, this is a step that makes or breaks any ceramic coating install. The coating itself, that's the easy part. But for the product to actually bond to the paint, the surface needs to be surgically clean. Now, I'm not going to spend the next 10 minutes giving you step-by-step tutorials on how to perfectly wash and decontaminate your car. There are entire channels dedicated to just that. But here's the big picture. The cleaner the surface, the better the coating bonds, and the longer it lasts. For most people, that means doing a proper wash with a wax-free shampoo, using an iron remover to get rid of embedded particles, cleaning the paint to smooth out any contaminants, and finally wiping everything down with an IPA solution. If your car has swirl marks or scratches, this is also the time to polish or correct the paint, because once you coat it, you're locking in whatever's underneath it. Now in my case, this Tesla Model Y was literally brand new, delivered just a few days before I ceramic coated it. With all of the prep finished, it's finally time to apply the coating. And honestly, this is where the Armor Shield Max really stands out. It's straightforward and not intimidating at all. The first step is to shake the bottle well. Next, pour some of the coating onto the given applicator pad. And now here's a little pro tip. On the very first application, the pad is completely dry, so it's going to absorb more of the liquid that you put on it. For that reason, you want to prime it by adding a slightly heavier amount up front. Then step 3 is to start applying the coating in a crosshatch pattern, left to right and then up and down. The reason for that is simple. It's to make sure you don't miss any spots and guarantee an even, consistent layer of coating across the panel. If this is your first time, start in the 2 foot by 2 foot section of your paint to ensure you have it under control. Avalon King ceramic coatings are by far the easiest to apply. Now within a minute or two, you'll see the coating begin to flash. It's a rainbow-like haze across the surface, and that's your cue. At that point, grab the microfiber towel and lightly buff out the panel to level the coating. And you want to make sure there are no streaks or high spots. Now this flash time is dependent on your climate. If you live in a more humid or a more hot area, it's going to flash quicker, so be wary of that. And that's it. Panel by panel, I repeated the process. Reload the applicator as needed, apply it, wait for the flashing, and then buff it out. It's methodical, but it's not difficult. And one of the coolest things, you're not limited to the paint. You can also apply it to the plastic trim, headlights, taillights, and even glass. Some people put it on the wheels too, since it makes brake dust easier to clean. A ceramic coating will not save you from rock chips, scratches, or major debris on the road. For that, you want paint protection film. The ideal setup is actually PPF on your paint first, and then a ceramic coating layer on top of that for maximum protection and ease of maintenance. Now, one of the reasons ceramic coatings get a reputation for being expensive is the labor involved. If you pay a professional to coat your car, you're looking anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, and most of that is just simply prep work. Because whatever's on your paint before the coating, like swirl marks, embedded contaminants, and leftover waxes, it gets sealed underneath. That's why prep is everything. You want your paint as clean and as corrected as possible before applying the coating. For most cars, that means a wash with wax-free shampoo, an iron remover to pull out the embedded particles, a clay bar treatment to lift stubborn contaminants, and sometimes even a polish or correction if there are scratches or swirls. Then you want to finish with an IPA wipe down to strip away any of the remaining oils so the coating can bond directly to the clear coat. If that sounds like a lot, it's because it is. But it's also the reason why ceramic coatings last so long compared to a wax or a sealant. And once it's on, the maintenance is simple. Just safe hand washes with a pH neutral soap and try to avoid car washes. The results are fast, and as soon as you buff out the coating, the gloss level just jumps. The paint looks deeper, wetter, and more vibrant, and the surface feels slick, like buttery smooth slick. And you know the hydrophobic effect Avalon King is known for? With the Max, it's truly next level. Water doesn't just bead, it runs away from the surface. Now here's a part that really changes the game, the cure time. With the original Armor Shield 9, you had to wait anywhere from 24 to 48 hours before exposing the car to water or dust, but with the Max, you're good to go in just 4 hours. That makes it so much more practical for real-world DIY users. And after that, it's just about maintenance. I myself recommend about a week before you initially wash it, and then stick to safe washing methods. Always use a pH neutral soap and hand wash your car. As I mentioned earlier, Avalon King makes their own maintenance shampoos that pairs perfectly with this coating. Now, I recommend you do not ever take your car to a car wash if you care about the paint. Please note that ceramic coatings do not protect against scratches, dings, or dents. So here's the bottom line. The Avalon King Armor Shield Max takes everything that made the original ceramic coating so good and it pushes it further. More gloss, more slickness, better hydrophobics, longer durability, and faster curing. And it's still easy enough that anyone can do it at home without spending thousands of dollars at a professional shop. I've trusted Avalon King for years, and the fact that my Model Y still looks incredible after 3 years with the original coating gives me a lot of confidence in this new formula. On the new Model Y, it already looks absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to see how it holds up long term. And don't forget, I'm giving away 2 max coatings. To enter, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below letting me know what car you'd put the coating on and why. I'll be picking the winners from the comments, so get creative. If you want to grab your own Armor Shield 9 Max kit or the prep products I use in this video, I'll leave links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your cars glossy, slick, and protected, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.